Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, cars, bikes, pedal boats, riverboats, vintage machinery, and much more at the Wentworth Junction Rally. Stick around. The Wentworth Junction Rally is put on by the subcommittee of the Vintage Machinery Society of Sunraysia and is supported by the Rivers and Riverboat Historical and Preservation Society. Let's have a look around.
You have me, and I have you. That's enough to paint lonesome black and blue. I have you, and you have me.
The rally offers daily cruises, vintage machinery exhibits, and a pretty cool display of paddle boats lining right along the riverbank.
We've had up, and we've had down. We've had one.
If you're looking for some accommodation, here's the first three that came up on Google. So the Wentworth Grand Resort is attached to what used to be the old Wentworth Club. There's also the Junction Motel, which isn't listed there, but a quick Google search will bring up quite a few accommodation options.
It shines like
Rightio, let's go and have a look at the pedal boats.
So let's carve our names into this tree, and then lay beneath the beauty of her leaves. Will the birds and the bees seem to agree that we're strong as a maple, twice as sweet? We've had ups and we've had downs. We've had warm nights, we've gone round and round. What I know, this much is true. There ain't a tree.
The good old rope toss competition. I know a few tossers would probably do alright in this.
Roots me like you. I've gone east, west, inward and out. For me, I know this much is true. There ain't a single direction that don't point.
Now, of course, if you're watching this video, it means you've probably missed the rally itself. So keep an eye on junctionrally.com for the next event and any updates.
They all point to you.
A red one. That one must be fast. Here's something you don't see every day, a steam-powered truck. That's pretty cool. And the vintage cars and tractors. Some pretty unique vehicles here. Well, that's about it for now, guys. If you like this video, check this one out here. Be good, stay safe, and bye for now.
I was raised to be a man, Great Central Valley, where a man